What's up, car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we are taking a close look at the all-new Chevrolet Nova 2026, a car that perfectly balances classic muscle with modern innovation. The Nova has always been an iconic name in the world of performance cars, and the 2026 model is no exception. Chevrolet has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the classic Nova and infused it with advanced technology, sleek styling, and powerful performance to create a truly remarkable driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Nova showcases a bold, aerodynamic design that commands attention on the road. Its iconic silhouette has been updated with sharper lines, a wider stance, and an aggressive front grille, giving it a modern yet unmistakably classic appearance. LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility while adding a futuristic touch, and available premium paint options allow owners to personalize their Nova to match their style. The alloy wheels and subtle chrome accents complete the aggressive yet sophisticated look, making this car a head-turner from every angle. Under the hood, the Chevrolet Nova 2026 offers a variety of engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base engine provides efficient performance for everyday commuting while still delivering solid acceleration. For those craving raw power, the V8 engine option unleashes thrilling performance that muscle car enthusiasts have come to expect. Paired with either a smooth automatic or a responsive manual transmission, the Nova ensures that every drive is engaging and dynamic. Acceleration, handling, and overall driving dynamics are finely tuned, allowing for a confident and exhilarating ride on both city streets and open highways. Inside the cabin, the Nova 2026 combines modern comfort with classic charm. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ergonomic design create a luxurious yet driver-focused environment. The infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen with smartphone integration, voice command capabilities, and an intuitive interface, keeping you connected while on the move. Advanced climate control, comfortable seating, and thoughtful storage solutions ensure a pleasant driving experience for both short trips and long journeys. Safety is a major focus in the Nova 2026. Chevrolet has equipped this car with the latest driver assistance technologies, including lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety but also provide peace of mind, making the Nova suitable for daily driving while still delivering the excitement of a performance vehicle. Driving the Chevrolet Nova 2026 is an experience that blends excitement with precision. The finely tuned suspension system provides responsive handling and smooth cornering, while the powerful brakes offer confidence-inspiring stopping power. Whether navigating tight urban streets or enjoying a spirited drive on the open road, the Nova responds with agility and control, ensuring that every drive is both thrilling and safe. Customization options allow owners to truly make the Nova their own. Chevrolet offers a range of packages for performance enhancements, aesthetic upgrades, and technology additions. From bold exterior accents to upgraded interiors and high-performance components, the 2026 Nova can be tailored to suit individual preferences and driving styles. In summary, the Chevrolet Nova 2026 is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It honors the classic muscle car legacy while embracing modern design, technology, and performance. With its powerful engines, striking design, advanced safety features, and luxurious interior, the Nova 2026 is poised to impress both enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. If you love this detailed look at the Chevrolet Nova 2026, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Car Trend for more in-depth car reviews, latest updates, and exclusive automotive insights.